Saturday. I am Munguti Onesimus, the Deputy Principal in Charge of Administration in Nyambaria High School. I want to welcome you to this school. I know you are all aware that the results for KCSE were this morning by the CS Education Honorable Machogu Ezekiel. And I want to say we were actually expecting that our candidate was going to be the top student in the country. And I want to believe he could be because he has attained an A plane of 84. And he has been the best student since Form 1. His name is John Makolum. In spite of all the challenges that we went through during the exams, I want to say that we have received the results of our students. Although our teachers are still going on, we had 594 candidates. But from the results that we have received so far, we believe that we are going to do very well. We released around 12 students, 12 top A students to the media houses that came here, and we believe that there are going to be more because these are professional results. We want to say that once we are done with all the analysis, once we receive all the results, it has been a very slow process since morning. Once we receive all the results, we shall be able to give a conclusive statement, and that will be given by the chief principal himself, by most likely tomorrow. So I want to say we want to thank God for the results because our boys underwent a lot of turmoil, a lot of stress during the exams. We were even wondering what they would get the results, but we want to thank God we have received the results, and we are hopeful that the school is going to perform very well when we receive all the results. With me is one of the HODs, Mr. Manconi. They did good work. I don't know whether they can say something before I allow the PHR to say something.
Thank you so much. We had a very good team of boys. They were hardworking, they were hopeful, and they have done their best. We thank God for this, and we hope their best to be done by tomorrow.
Your name?
My name is Gideon Anyona Manconi.
In charge of student welfare. Thank you so much. With me here is our PHR, Mr. Chastas Mochumbe. Maybe, Chair, you can say something.
Thank you. I also want to welcome you to this great institution. I want to say, as our deputy has said, we have received provisional results for our school. And first of all, we want to thank God that at the end of the day, all our boys have actually had the results come out. You all know that we underwent a lot during the exam period. There was a lot of intimidation. We had several police vehicles around the school, and that's not normally a very good picture, especially for a candidate who is sitting for exam. But despite all that, I want to say that our boys have done really well. The boys we expected to do very well, as our principal, our deputy principal said. Actually, we have had his results come out. He's gotten a very good grade, and we are hoping for the best. So by tomorrow, when we are making a conclusive statement about the overall performance of the school, I want to say at least the school has been exonerated from the kind of harassment that we faced during the past. The negative publicity we have actually received from the media station, from the individuals who had their own targets. We want to say God has vindicated us. God is on our side. This is a school that respects the church very much. We do a lot of prayers, and we believe the performance that we receive here, partly is associated with the kind of prayers that we do. Otherwise, we hope for the best, and we hope that this school is going to get its respect and its rightful place in the Kenyan map. Thank you.
Thank you so much.